Guys, fishing tayo yan guys. Ayan. Very nice area guys. Tapos yung ano natin. Ayan, malaki masyadong bulati. Ayan guys. Ayan, fishing tayo. Ayan guys sir.
It's better out here than inside.
Okay. Let's go guys. Fishing tayo guys, fishing.
Josh. Yeah. Josh.
Guys. Waiting for guys, ayan. Ayan na, waiting ha. Ayan guys, ayan, dami kami nag-fishing dito guys, ayan. Ayan yung area namin, ayan. Ayan. Fishing time, okay? Mamaya, waiting for the, ano kung anong gawin. Ito yung area namin guys. Ito sa Coboard Lake, okay? Ayan guys, andito kami, fishing time. Let's go guys, ayan.
Baby bass here. Baby bass. Then we got little sardine, look, you know, sardine.
Yeah.
And then this big one here, decent size. And we got this catfish as well. It's nice and silky too. And then we got
What's that?
a freaking salamander.
Salamander?
Salamander.
Show it.
Salamander.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Ayan guys, oh. Yung mga isda dyan, oh, guys. Ayan. Parang mga tilapia lang guys, ayan. Parang tilapia lang sila guys. Maraming isda dito guys, ayan. Ayan guys, clean up na tayo ng mga isda guys, ayan. Lilinisan natin yan siya guys, okay? Hito first guys, ayan. Clean up tayo sa hito guys, ayan. Cut natin to guys. Siya guys, presko siya guys, oh. Para ka lang dito guys, yan. Ha? Para ka lang nagawa ng danggit. Yeah. Guys, parang danggit lang guys, oh. Yan guys. Ano? Parang pinikas na bulad lang, ayan, parang danggit kung sa Tagalog guys, ayan, huling-huli, ayan, yung mga bass fish, ayan. Okay, salt and pepper, salt, asin, ayan guys, salt, okay. Ihaw time guys. Yan guys, oh. Fresh from the lake guys. Sugba na time, sugba. Ihaw. Ayan, cheers. Cheers. Guys.
You need some frog.
Ayan guys. Yan na yung mga isda-isda natin dito guys. Hello guys. Ayan. Oh. Saan ka pa? Ayan oh. Ha? Fresh from the lake guys. Fresh from the lake. Yan guys, okay. Luto guys. Approve guys, approve. Yan guys. Cooking time guys. Naman, hao naman, panalo na. Panalo, panalo. Ayan naman, panalo ng isda. Isda, isda. Ito guys, fishing guys. Diba? Itong very nice fishing guys. Fishing time in the lake. Yan guys, fishing this lake guys, fishing, food, everything guys. And luto na lang tayo guys, okay? Yan.
Don't touch it.
Lechon manok! That's lechon manok man. Oh, dito sa lake guys. Ihaw-ihaw ka na. May mga ano ka pa dito. Kung wala ang mahuling isda. Pero ang daming isda dito guys. I guarantee dito guys. Okay? Ihaw. Hindi mo. Yan guys. Tapos ng fishing guys. Yan, paalam tayo guys. Yan, maraming salamat sa lahat sa nanonood. Bye bye. Paalam.